In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from your pictures. Just go to Chrome browser and search here Remove.bg and just click on first link over here. Then you can see here blue button. Just click on upload image. Then it will go to your browser. Just choose which picture you want to remove the background. I just click on this. Now you can see here background completely removed from your picture. Just go to download. Now just click on download. Now it already download to your gallery. This is how you can remove background from your picture. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.